I'm using the online GTB to explain this, but you will work on any particular ID. Right? Now, up here, I have the true division that we use all the time. I just want to compare it with the floor division. And I even put the output here. Okay. Uh, Quick run. Oh, sorry, forgot to change this. Let me change this because I'm using the studio code. Yep. Okay. All right. So I got this, except for this one here. Let me change this. Okay. So you will see the same answer as the one on top. Now, true division, no problem. Right? Because everyone is using it. Just divide. The trick here is the floor division. The floor division, a lot of students actually believe that you're only taking the integer part of the division. That's not true. All right. Why? Because this is why I put this example down here. Well, if you think about this, right, minus 10, which is negative 10, floor division 3, right, if you divide by 3, you should actually get minus 3.33 something. But because you say it is floor, therefore it rounds down. So when it rounds down, you actually get minus 4. So it doesn't actually return the minus 3 portion of the equation. Right? So that is a difference, right, between the true division and the floor division that you need to take note. Right? Otherwise, you're not going to get the correct answer.